In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Figma with Slack. Integrating Figma with Slack is a great way to keep designers, developers, and stakeholders aligned without constantly switching between tools. Once everything is connected, your team can stay on top of comments, design changes, and project activity right inside Slack. It makes communication faster and helps feedback happen in the same place your team is already working. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser and sign into your workspace. From there, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Apps area. If you don't immediately see the option, click More and then Apps. In the app directory, use the search bar to look for Figma. When the Figma app appears, select it, then choose Add to Slack. Slack will show you an authorization page with the permissions the app is requesting. Take a moment to review those permissions so you understand what the integration can access, then click Allow to install it into your workspace. Once the app is added, the next part is linking your personal Figma account. Head back to the Slack sidebar and click on Figma under the Apps section. In the welcome message, select Connect your account. Slack will open a browser window so you can complete the connection securely. On the Figma page, click Allow Access to grant permission for Slack and Figma to link together. After that, when you see the browser redirect prompt, click Open Slack. At this point, your account connection is complete and the integration is ready for channel setup. Now it's time to subscribe a Slack channel to Figma updates. Go to the specific Slack channel where you want design activity to appear. This might be a review channel, a team collaboration space, or any channel your project uses for design communication. Before the bot can post there, it needs to be invited into the channel. In the message box, type the invite command for the Figma app and send it. That gives the bot access to post updates directly into that channel. As you set this up, make sure you choose channels carefully so the notifications stay useful rather than overwhelming. It's usually best to send updates to the people who actually need them instead of broadcasting everything everywhere. Once these steps are complete, you'll have the official Figma app installed in Slack, your personal account linked, and the channel prepared to receive design-related activity. That creates a much smoother workflow for reviews, comments, and ongoing collaboration between design and development.